Hi guys, I am Ann Mason and I'm going to show you how we're installing an art gallery wall in the quiet room of our Modern Maximalist project. This project is for a law firm in Memphis, Tennessee, and we decided to include a quiet room complete with an amazing human touch massage chair, which lawyers and employees can use when they're having a stressful day. Maybe they've worked really late on a case and they just need a few moments to recharge before starting back. The wallpaper itself is inspired by water and movement, and the blues are very calming to the eye, which is why we chose them for this room. And what we're going to do is put up some beach imagery and some plants. While being in a neutral tone, they're going to really help boost the serotonin and kind of help quickly reduce anxiety. Now, this product that we have bought for the gallery walls all came from Desenio, which is a European company, but they have art, fine prints, illustrations, and really beautiful photography for a really reasonable price. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We have quite a few gallery walls that we're working on today. I think all the imagery is going to be in this one package. But what the great thing about Desenio is, even if you're not sure where to start, they offer lots of gallery walls for you to look at and kind of get inspiration. So going through this, found one beautiful print of a nature scene, and I couldn't find the size that I needed in that print. But thankfully, Desenio at the bottom had very similar items, and I was able to replace the imagery that I loved with something that was honestly almost identical, and I was able to get the size that we needed. And I just really love their customer service. They're great people. They're always super fast, super efficient. I've had a great experience with them.
Now, before we do anything, I'm going through and sorting all of the imagery that we received, make sure we have everything that we ordered, and getting it ready in the frames to put up on the wall. The very first thing that we do when putting up a gallery wall is find the exact center point of the wall that we are going to be hanging art on. As you can see, since we have 3 pieces, it's going to really help us navigate exactly where we need to place those pieces of art. And also you can see that I'm checking the heights constantly, trying to make sure that the art is not going to be hidden behind the massage chair since it's pretty tall. Once we have that center point, it's super easy to space out your art. And as you can see, we're able to hang this pretty well distanced consistently. I think that may be the hardest part of gallery walls, is making sure that all of your imagery is equally spaced. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really hope you like how it turned out.